Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make onigiri. Onigiri is a packed lunch staple, just like sandwich. I'm going to explain what's commonly used for onigiri. This is plum, which is pickled with a lot of salt. So this is a preserved plum, but it's different from those fruit plum you can eat. This is called ume, very, very sour plum. You could get that from Asian grocery. And another thing is very, very salty salmon. You can make it with salt it heavily and then grill it later on. So these two are very, very common onigiri ingredients. But I'm going to show you something you can get from anywhere. You can get a small tin of tuna like this, and I use this tuna with chili, which adds a bit of a heat, but you don't have to, you just use any tuna. And you drain it really well so that it doesn't get soggy. And add some mayonnaise. And mix well. So this is not a very traditional onigiri ingredients, but this is very commonly eaten nowadays. Now you can form the onigiri. Just a bowl like this. This is a traditional rice bowl, but it doesn't have to be that. Put the rice in, and you make a small dent in the center and put the tuna mixture and with both of your hands, and put some rice on top of it so that it's nice and covered. And probably half a teaspoon or so salt. You might think it's a lot of salt, but it's not going to be on the rice. A lot of the salt will be left on my hand, so it's not too bad. Onto the hand, and then gently fold it, form a triangular shape like this. So one hand in the angle like this, and on the bottom you hold like that. And then just turn it a bit and make sure that this bit is a bit flat so that it sits well on the plate. Now it's done. Now you can wrap the onigiri with nori sheet. This is what I bought in a supermarket, and try to get the nori with darker color, usually a better quality. I cut in 1/3 like this. And there's shiny side and not so shiny side, so you would want to have the shiny side outside and have onigiri in the center like this. Now this is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.